Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Thunder Dragon Plays. So guys, we are doing some more parkour with my friend Sanjay. Hello Sanjay. So guys, we are starting some more parkour. So guys, towards the top right, you can see that our deaths are written. So we are starting the parkour and he's already started to cheat it. Wow. See guys, you saw that right? So guys, this map is made by I use under some other language, whatever. So guys, I'm starting it. Oh sorry, I failed it. So guys, I made the first one. I'm not like a loser like him. See, where is he? Bye Sanjay. So guys, you mean I'm not cheating. Without cheating, I'm doing it. Okay, legit I'm doing. Look, check my video out. Okay, I'm doing legit. You don't know how to do it. So sad. Wait, I made it. Next one, I'm on the tree. Wait, I made it. Hello Sanjay, I'm very far ahead. Oh guys, this is very tough. This is very tough. You're not going to make this for sure. I made it. No, I failed it. Sanjay, you're struggling on this. You're not going to do the next one. I'll show you how I did it. Wait. See Sanjay, you think that I'm cheating it now? See, this pressure plate you can see now here. This pressure plate. This puts our game mode adventure. Look, I'll stand on it. Now I'll go. See. Ouch, I failed it. What are you doing? Woo! Oh shit, I failed it actually. So guys, because of Sanjay, I started failing stuff. What are you doing? Okay, I made it. I made it again. I'm going by. Sanjay, I'll tell you the easy method. Jump down. Okay, you cannot jump down. Okay. You can pause your video. Oh. So guys, finally Sanjay made. So guys, he took a lot of time. I'm a pro in this. I don't think he can make it. Woo! Oh no, I failed it. Shit. Sanjay, I'm going to cheat this. Want to see how? I'll show you. Move. Hey, I made it. Wait, I made it again. Wait, I made it. So Sanjay, I'm going to go to the next part. Oh no, I pressed the wrong one. Woo! Okay, I failed it. Go. You're a loser. You're losing it. You're going to lose it again. We'll see. Oh no! Oh, I was close. Sanjay, wait, even I'll go. Wait, no, because of you, I couldn't go. I'm not able to jump. Wait, my space. Wait, what happened? I'm not able to press the space. 1 minute, my keyboard. Okay, yeah, now it's back. No, it's not actually working. Oh, yeah, it's working. Yeah, I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, I'm making it. Woo! Made it. I'm not able to make it further. Sanjay, so guys, we made it together at last. Okay, you can go first. Go. You can go first. I'll stay here. Oh wait, I opened the hopper by accident. I'm opening it. Whoa. Cool. I failed it. Like I forgot to press jump button. Wait, why am I not able to make this? Nope, there isn't. Hey, you're pushing me off. That's the thing. Move. Sanjay, did you show your people your official skin? Show it to them. Okay, Sanjay, just pause your video. Let's make it and show them. So guys, I have made it so far. Oh no, I'm going to fall. So guys, I'm going to make it after Sanjay. Move out of the way. I made it. So guys, we are at the second level. So guys, today we are going to do 3 levels only. Alright? Whoa, what is this? Move, let me do. Let me do first. I know what to do. Move first. Let me do. Not ladder jump. It is not this. You cannot see the slime over here. You should jump up. Matt. Obviously, one by one we have to go. Not like both going at the same time. Woo! Oh, nearly made it. Wait, there's something in the house. Sanjay, come here. Okay, I thought I could have entered it. Okay, come, let's go again up. This is going to be very tough. No, I made it. Wait, I was nearly going to make it. One more, guys. I was nearly going to make it. So, guys, I'm going to see you after some time when I make it. Let's part it. So, guys, finally I made it till here, and yes, guys, Sanjay is in front of me. Okay, Sanjay, go. Oh, I made it to you. Go. So, guys, one death has happened already. So guys, I made it again. I'm going to finish it. Just 1 minute, guys. Sanjay, you try doing it. Oh no, Sanjay, I'm doing so great. I made it to the next. So guys, I made it to the next level. Woohoo! So guys, Sanjay is still stuck there. I made it here to a checkpoint. Woohoo! What's that noise? Oh, you made it to the first one. Nice. Oh, nice. Now jump on the fence. Jump on the fence. Yeah. Oh, nice. Second one. Okay. Oh. So, guys, I'll meet you in some time. So, guys, he made it here. Oh. So, guys. Yes. Take the checkpoint. It's there. There's a bee here. Woo. Oh, I made it here. Oh, I made it up. Sanjay, I'm on the 3rd floor. Woohoo! If we can actually start doing the 3rd floor, okay? Then we'll end the video. Not complete. 3rd is long, okay? So we'll do little because we have to make a 10 minutes video, na? Okay, guys. At last, Sanjay also reached here. That's also a point, but the edge is over there somewhere. So guys, I'm making it legit. Woo! Sanjay, I'm doing great. I'm doing the greatest job. You are only doing the worst job. Look, guys. Oh, this is going to be very tough. Oh no, I failed it. No, I think I had to jump here. Then only I should go there. I think so. Let's what to do. So guys, I'm going to... Yeah, I came. Oh, Sanjay made it after so long. How has he become a parkour expert all of a sudden? That's tough. I couldn't make it. Flop. It's type of... No, I actually tried quad jump. It didn't work. Yeah, I tried quad jump. I didn't make it. See, now I'll try doing a quad jump. I think I know what to do here. Yeah, I can do that here. Hey, no, that works. I made it there. See, guys, I'm intelligent, not like him. Oh no, I failed it again. Shit. Did you make it other side? First time Sanjay is ahead of me. Oh yeah, everything I did on my own, don't lie. Oh, I made it. I know what to do, I think. Move. Sanjay, move out of the way. I made it. Sanjay, we're going to finish the third floor now, then we're going to end the video. I made it. No. Oh no, I'm at the... Sanjay, I'm at the old level now. Because I fell down. Backs. So... I'm doing it fast and ending my video, bro. So guys, this is the way you do parkour so quick. I made it. Sanjay, I'm nearly done again. I made it. So guys, I think that's all I've got for my video. Hope you like it. Please leave a like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye. Pause it. Pause it. Did you pause it? So guys, I'm in creative looking at what Sanjay is doing. Hello. Oh, I put Sanjay's accidentally on it. So guys, I'm in creative watching Sanjay doing the parkour. Sanjay, could you do it a little bit fast? You want, you can pause it. You can pause it and do it. So guys, waiting for him from so long, he's not yet reached. Come. Crowd, don't run. You'll fall down. You'll fall. Do everything again. That's the thing. Where do we need to go from here? So guys, hope you like it. Please do leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So guys, this is his channel, also linked below in the description. Okay, bye.